14 CFR 91.103 requires pilots to become familiar with weather reports and forecasts prior to flying. There are several good ways to get this weather briefing, including through an EFB like ForeFlight, through a website, or by calling a flight service weather specialist on the telephone. When getting a phone or online briefing through flight services, which is currently operated by Leidos at 1-800-WX-BRIEF, three options are available. First, for a flight plan to depart after more than 6 hours, an Outlook briefing should be requested. An Outlook briefing is somewhat limited, but gets some initial forecast information. If the flight is scheduled within 6 hours, a standard briefing can be requested. This is the most detailed option with a full rundown of weather, adverse conditions, forecasts along the flight, winds aloft, and pertinent NOTAMs. The final option is an abbreviated briefing for pilots who want to update a previous weather briefing. The idea here is that only new information needs to be reviewed. A pilot who has done a thorough self-briefing can also request an abbreviated briefing to get only the latest details. On the phone, the specialist may ask when the full briefing was to know what needs to be covered and updated. On the website, the interface lets the pilot deselect the already briefed items to create a custom briefing.